put all the eggs in one basket. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mustafa's World. Please like and subscribe. Money worries are for many people an important cause of stress and sleepless nights. How do you get out of financial trouble? Let me explain. We all dream of winning the lottery, no more worrying about the bills to be paid and being able to buy anything you want. But no matter how many times you enter a lottery, the chances are a lot higher that you will lose a lot of money on it. Then you will be a millionaire one day. Maybe possible. Money problems often rises because we want more than we can afford. For some, a good meal is more than you can afford. For others, a new mobile phone or a car is something you cannot afford. There is a great temptation to make use of loan or credits without carefully considering the long-term consequences. After all, the loan must be repaid with interest. The easier it is to get a loan, the higher the interest rate will be. So the best thing is, whenever you have some extra money, start saving it. And if you want to save, you need to control your temptations, because more saving means more money. More you save, more you get, and after saving the sufficient amount, you will start thinking where to invest this money so you can start earning more money. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how and where to invest your hard-earned money. Before this, please like and subscribe to Mustafa's World. Thank you, your favorite channel. So folks, first and most important thing is to not put all the eggs in one bucket. Let me explain. You do not invest all your money in one mode. It is the biggest risk. There are so many modes of investment, for example stock, bonds, mutual funds and real estate. But first you have to decide either you are investing in long run or short run. Now I will tell you what is long-term goals. These goals are at least 5 years away. The universal goal is often retirement, but you have others as well. Do you want a down payment on a house or college tuition to purchase your dream vacation home or go on an anniversary trip in 10 years? And now come to the short-term goals. These goals are less than 5 years away. This is the next year vacation, a house you want to buy next year, an emergency fund. Money for short-term goals generally shouldn't be invested at all. If you need to money you are saving under 5 years, check our recommendations for how to invest money for short-term goals. So folks, first you need to choose a combination of investment that match your risk tolerance and provides diversification. If you ask my opinion as an economist, I never suggest you to spend in a stock. If you have low investment, buying stocks in individual companies is the riskiest investment options. It also can be one of the most rewarding, but before you start making trades, you should consider whether buying a stock makes sense for you. Ask yourself if you are investing for the long term, which generally means at least 5 years. Being a new investor, you can play safe and invest in bonds. Bonds allow a company or government to borrow your money to fund a project or references other debit. Bonds are considered fixed income investment and typically made regular interest payments to investors. The principal is then returned on a set maturity date. You can invest in gold as well, but the price of the gold fluctuates and you don't get the enough amount of money for selling gold. If you sell it in short-term investment in gold is also a come in long-term investment. And yes, for long-term investment it is a better option, but for short-term gold investment is not a better option. In my opinion, and according to the current situation, investing in real estate is one of the safest option. Real estate is a way to diversify your investment portfolio outside of the traditional mix of stocks and bonds. It doesn't necessarily mean buying a home or becoming a landlord. You can invest in REITs, which are like mutual funds or real estate, or through online real estate investing platforms which pool investors' money. And try not to invest all your money in one thing. Try to invest in at least 2 different modes. So it is a good chance of getting portfolio for your investment and low risk levels. Share your favorite mode of investment in comment section below. Thanks for watching stuff as well. And for more videos, like, subscribe, and tell me what kind of video you want. Thank you.